So welcome back students. Today I will discuss the another reproductive organs and their objectives. Now coming to the point, that is your uterus. So uterus is actually the U-shaped type like structure, and or you can sometimes some people are like say that this is a V-like structure, but that is doesn't matter. It is also know that womb. So this is the similar or nearest name synonyms, that is your womb. Okay, and is womb basically development of the fertilized egg, and embryo basically occurs here, and the lower part of the this uterus, that is actually your cervix, and it is also serve the birth canal through the through which actually the mature baby actually delivered. That is the important point. Okay, so this point, that is your uterus, and this uterus basically the lower part and the lower part, which lower part means this lower part of this you can say that the of the or of the uterus. So this, suppose that this is a uterus, and this lower part, this portion actually is missing, no identified here. So this part actually your cervix. So cervix actually connected this uterus. Okay, and this part actually the is called, another part is it is another name is there, it is called the birth canal, or you can say that the baby actually being delivered from this point. Okay, and now coming to the point, that is your vagina. So vagina and cervix are both related or interconnected to each other correlately. So this actually the suppose that this is a cervix and this is your uterus, and this part actually your vagina. So vagina is also connected this cervix. Okay, and this part is also called the birth canal part. Okay, so whole sperms will be collected through this vagina, through this cervix, again it will come uterus, and then it will come the fallopian tube. So this is the module and how to the fusions of the eggs being takes place, or you can say that the fertilizations takes place. So how the fertilization takes place? The whole sperm being transported to this vagina and cervix, and after that it will come in uterus, and this uterus, and then and after the uterus it will come in fallopian tube. The fallopian tube transported the whole eggs into this point, and this particular point, the uterus, in this particular point eggs and the sperms will be fused together, and the fertilized egg will form, or you can say that the zygote will form. So this part I will come, okay, zygote part, but the fertilization takes place in this particular case, fallopian tube. And after the fertilization takes place, the embryo is formed, and after the embryo will form, that time the new baby will be delivered, and this new baby will be delivered through this canal, that is actually your called cervix and or your vagina. Though this whole process actually called the reproductive organs and their operations. Okay, and now I will discuss the another part, that is your embryo part. Okay, another point is missing, that is actually fertilizations actually takes place inside the female, and the your that is your fertilization takes place inside the female's body in the oviduct. Okay, in the oviduct, or you can say that the fallopian tube. So after the fertilization, the fertilized eggs attached itself to the wombs, that is your means your uterus, and the process actually is called your implantations. So what is actually implantations? Implantations means the after the fertilizations, the fertilized egg attached itself in the womb, or you can say that the uterus. This is called the implantation. So after the fertilizations, implantations is carried on. Okay, now coming to the point, that is your embryo part. So embryo, suppose that this is the diagrammatic, or you can the schematic mechanisms of the fertilizations and the development of embryo. So this is the eggs. Suppose this is the eggs, and this is the whole sperm, and this sperms will this means fused these eggs, and after that these eggs become fertilized, and it will split into 2 and 3 parts, and after that day by day this splitting 2 parts has been divided into 4 parts. Again these 4 parts has been divided into 8 parts, and this is comes to again this 8 part again come to 12 parts, and gradually this will be transformed into one embryo. Okay, so embryo basically is one kind of cell is there, is a cell like structure. So this is the first cell, that is basically your zygote. So in human being, zygote is the first cell. Okay, and this gradually develops into new individual. The time between the fertilizations and the birth, and that is actually your pregnancy, and it takes at least 9 months, or you can say that the 280 days in humans, but it will vary. Okay, so in humans, an embryo grows inside the mothers of the body in using the food from her blood. So this is all about your reproductive systems. So this much is your syllabus, and sometimes this type of question will ask. So difference between sperm and eggs. So you tell the sperms are the small in size and eggs are the large in size. Sperms move towards the egg, but egg do not move much. Okay, so only eggs moves from ovary to the fallopian tube, but sperms can move from penis through uterus, and this means the cervix, vagina, and after that the fallopian tube. So the movement of the sperms is much more than the eggs, and sperms have no store food, but eggs contain sufficient amount of food. Okay, so this much the difference between the sperms and egg. So hopefully you will understood the topic, and your task is you go through the whole chapters, that is your chapter number 2, the plant reproduction, and as well as your reproductions, sexual reproductions in plant, as well as your reproductions in human. So short type of questions will ask in your exam, and you just prepare the short type of questions. This much is sufficient for you, and as well as you try to do some little bit extra from the book. That means you're inside the book, whatever the inside thing is given is here, some box part, suppose like that. This part is very important, thought for you. So this part is very important, thought for the some another extra information is there. So you have to just focus on this part also for your betterment. Okay, thank you.